For more videos like this for Data Science 439, you could take a look at Story Studies, link in the description box below.
Let's say you have a CSV file, so this is a comma separated value file. That means all your data separated by commas. So you can literally go to your notepad right now, open it up, write some data separated by columns, give it an extension .csv, and it's a CSV file. So I'm actually going to upload a CSV file here in CodeBench. So you click on upload, and then you have student data, and then you can see what it contains. We have all the columns at the top in the first row separated by commas, and then all of the values, and they're all separated by commas. So if we go ahead and open that up, we're going to see it called student data CSV, and then we actually see the data in a nice format. So how can we read in that data using Pandas? So first of all, we're going to import Pandas as PD, and then we're going to do PD dot, and Pandas has a method called simply read CSV. And then you just write the name of the file, so it's student data.csv, and that's all you have to do. If you do Control Enter, or you click this run button, you'll see the data. You see all of the columns, you see all of the rows, and that's how you read in a CSV file. What if you want to read an Excel file? Well, let's actually go to Excel. I'm going to open up a workbook here, and I'm just going to put Sarai, Elena, Mike. Let's do 20, 30, 40, and let's give these columns some names. So let's have this be the name column. Let's have this be, I don't know, the grade column. And then we're going to do Control S to save. I'm going to call it student data Excel and save it on my computer. Now, if I go back over here and I want to upload that file, I have it right here, open. Let me close the Excel file so I could actually open it. Now to read an Excel file with Pandas, you do PD dot, and guess what? Pandas has a read Excel file. So they have read Excel, and then you just put the name of the Excel file. So you have student data Excel, and then .xlsx. And then if we run that, we see our data from the Excel file, a name and grade. So in order for you to read a CSV file, the extension has to be .csv. If it's Excel, it has to be .xlsx. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.